So this is just a little video about my duty cycle timer. So we have a smart switch which is connected to the cloud, and that's controlling my ozone generator, which you can see here. So this is the actual user interface for it. You can see the settings here. If I press stop, it will indicate that it has successfully sent that command to the cloud, or I can go ahead and change the configuration for the timer there. So I can change that, and it will notify me of the change being loaded onto the server. So this interface, this little website controller thing is running on a web server that I'm hosting, and then that web server sends out commands through to the cloud.